Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right now today I'm reviewing this LICORNE vacuum cleaner. This is wet and dry. This is a YY6617 model. You can buy these on Amazon. But first, roll those titles. Right, now let's get to unboxing this LICORNE vacuum cleaner. This is obviously of course wet and dry. This is a YY6617 model. And as of course you always get the sign made in China. Nothing really special about the box, but apart from that, let's unbox it now. Inside the box you get the instructions. It's all nice in colour as well. This is quite nice to see. Also you get the vacuum cleaner, of course. You get the DC adapter. You get a few parts. I'll show you them in a minute. Get them out. Put the box out of the way. I know. These are the parts you get. You get this tube here. You get this. You get this brush here. You get this attachment here. Also, of course, you've got your DC adapter. Showed you just. And you've got the vacuum cleaner itself. This is the black and the yellow model. To empty it, you just basically put a button there. It opens up and just clips off, and you just pull this out here. Clips back on. And that's basically it for that. And obviously here at on the handle itself, that's where you plug it in to charge it. The battery is 2200 milliamp and it's 120 watt and it's a 12 volt. You can get 20 minutes work time out of this. It's not too bad. Let's just show you. Let's turn it on to show you how loud it is. That's not too loud, to be honest with you, for a vacuum cleaner. So if you like low ones, this is ideal for you. If you want to see me trying this out, please stay tuned, and I'll show you a video of me just trying this out. Be right back with you. Flag picking up this. Let's see. See if you can pick her up, okay? Put the brush head on. That seems to have picked up, but it took a bit of time. Now let's see what it's like of picking this up. These are heavy bits. These are bits of popcorn. So see if you can actually pick this up. So it's not powerful enough to pick popcorn up. Just won't pick it up. Let me just get the other head. I'm going to try to see what it's like to sucking up water. pause here. Change the head on the lever. I'm thinking that bit on first. Then I put that bit on, I think. So we can suck it back out. See what it's like about sucking up this water here. Got some water in the glass. I don't know what the outcome of this can be, but I'm going to try it. So we can show you. I'll turn it on first. Now, it had trouble sucking the water up out of the glass, but what would happen if I try to tip it on the carpet, so you can see it, and try to see if you can suck that up. Right there. You can see it. Turn it on. Right now, it didn't have a problem about sucking up the water on the carpet, but obviously you'll have a problem sucking up the water out of the glass. It can actually suck up things like what we've tried, sugar and different things like that, and flour. But if you got anything like, I don't know, like bits of something what's like that, like bits of popcorn, it wouldn't actually suck it up because it's not powerful enough to suck things like that up. But like I say, it's what you pay for it at the end of the day. If you want to buy this vacuum cleaner, you can. I'll put a link in the description below. But apart from that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.